You thought your Excel sheet was locked down? Think again. Let's dive in. Hey Excel ninjas, welcome back to the channel. Today, I'm going to show you how your protected Excel sheets gets hacked with one simple mistake beginners make. So you've protected your worksheet with a password, making it secure, right? Everything looks good. Nobody can edit the sheet without knowing that password. But here's where it gets tricky. Now, many Excel users also write VBA macros to automate tasks like unprotecting and protecting the sheet for certain actions. You might have something like this: a simple code that unprotects the sheet, runs the macro, and then reprotects it. This is a method used to run automation and keep the sheet protected. I can make a video about basic VBA and macro if you comment them down below. You're thinking, perfect, my sheet is safe again after the macro runs. But there's one big mistake that beginners make. Here's the catch. If you forget to protect your VBA project itself, anyone with the access to this workbook can view, and worse, edit your code. All I need to do is open the VBA editor, and boom, I can see your password right here in the code. There's no need to break the password on the sheet if I can just look at the macro and steal it. How to fix it? Here's how you can actually protect your VBA project to stop this from happening. Number 1. Open the VBA editor or hit Alt plus F11 on your keyboard. Number 2. In the Project Explorer, right-click your project and select VBA Project Properties. Step 3. Go to the Protection tab. Step 4. Check the box that says Lock Protect for viewing. Number 5. Set a strong password and click OK. Now your VBA code is secure. Anyone who tries to access your macros will be prompted for the password. So there you have it. You thought your Excel sheet was fully protected, but without locking down your VBA project, you leave the door wide open for anyone to hack in. Don't make this beginner mistake. Lock your VBA project and keep your data safe. If you want to learn more about Excel, VBA, and how to master your data, head over to www.yourexcelninja.com. I offer one-on-one learning sessions and a full Excel Essentials course to help you become an Excel ninja. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe for more Excel tips. So see you in the next video.